This video I'm going to show you how to use our microphone setup. First off is out here in this little box thing, you'll see there's some batteries. If you need batteries, if for some reason the batteries run out during the day, you can get new ones there. I'll try to leave fresh ones for you, so you shouldn't have to deal with that, but if you do, that's where they are. Microphone's up here on the stage and our whole kind of soundboard setup. To turn everything on, you first need to turn on the soundboard. There's a little note here, but on the back of it, there's a golden star on the power button. Just push that and turn it on, and you'll hear the fan kick on. And then the lights turn on there, and you can kind of see that's how you can tell that that part's on. Then you gotta turn the microphones on. There's two mics you can use. This one is like a headset mic with a battery pack that you can put in your pocket, or we have a handheld one. You can choose whatever one you want to use. And then you got to turn on the power boxes for the microphones. This top one with the red cord, this one is for the handheld mic. And this bottom one down here that has the yellow cord that comes out of the back, that one is for the wireless mic. You could just turn them both on and not have to worry about which one you're using. And then for these, kind of like the other ones, just push the gold star where the power button is and you'll see them kind of turn on, and that's how you know they're on. And then both microphones have power buttons again. Just push and hold them to turn them on. That's the handheld one, on and then off. And then the battery pack one, to turn this one on, it has a little switch that you can turn off and on. And then for batteries, this battery pack just kind of opens up, and that's where those batteries go. And on the microphone, you just untwist this bottom part and there's batteries under that. Microphone really does save your voice throughout the day. The kids are used to me using it. I use it all the time, so they're familiar with it. So that's how to use the batteries and the microphones and all that stuff.